Tanya with NV Property Management. Just wanted to hop on here today really quick to talk to you about how you can make money by hiring a property management company for your investment property. So one of the first questions we get asked by potential clients is, what is it going to cost me to have my property professionally managed? A lot of people believe this is very expensive, but what I want to offer you is consider the fact that you could actually make money by hiring a professional property management company. You can make money by decreased vacancies over time, and the cost to do so will be far outweighed by the increase in income over time. A lot of people say, well, I can do this myself, this is easy, but I can also represent myself in court without hiring a lawyer, or I can also file my taxes without hiring an accountant. I may lose some money in the long run, but I can do these things myself, but I am not good at it and I choose to go another route. I choose to hire the professionals. So that's something to think about when you're considering professional property management. We know this industry very well. Here at EPM, we are very well versed in the laws. We know what we can and cannot do. We know what our legal rights are, and we have systems and processes in place to be able to place qualified tenants quickly and decrease vacancies, and we're able to market on over 50 websites and get tenants placed quickly over. And so this will ultimately, in the long run, increase your income over time. Professional investors that invest in real estate, they do not do this themselves. They hire a professional to do it for them because they know that if they do this, they will ultimately save themselves time, headaches, and money over time. So an example I wanted to give to you was we had an owner who approached us. This was a few years ago. He had been managing his own property for about 10 years or longer. And he had a tenant in there that was months and months behind in rent. The property was in complete disrepair. There were animals living there. We had a hoarding situation going on. He didn't know what to do. So he contacted us. He signed up for management. And within just a few weeks, we were able to get the tenant out of the property. We were able to get the property cleaned up, all the repairs done, and back on the market for rent. And we actually were able to get him $600 more per month by going through us. And ultimately, he didn't have to lift a finger to do so. Just sign up with management, and we took over from there. All of his headaches and stress were gone the moment he signed up with us. We are well worth the cost. So if you are considering professional property management, I encourage you to do your research, to ask the important questions, but to also consider that you can actually make money by hiring a professional to manage your property. And then you decrease your stress, your headaches, and all of the other stresses that come with managing rentals. Again, this is Tanya with NV Property Management, and if you want more information about professional property management, please contact us at our office at 801-337-4337 or visit our website at envypm.com. Thanks, talk to you soon.